Hello guys, hello friends. Today we are going to make a small program that allow a user to vote. So guys, we are going to make a program that allow to vote. So if a user has greater than 18 years, a program will allow a user to vote. But if a user is less than 18 years, a program will not allow a user to vote. So let's go. So I'm going to use dev++ as a text editor. As you see, this is a dev++. So as I told you, we are, let me zoom it. So we are going to make a program that tells or allow a user to vote. So we are, as you know, in C program, we have to start with include studio, include studio dot hash int main, and then bracket, also curly bracket. So we are going to declare, so let me say int, because a user will enter age, we are going to declare int, so it's also a number, int age. Also we are going to tell a user to enter their age, so we are use printf enter your age, enter your age, then semicolon. So we are going to scan a number, or to scan a number of age, so we have to use scanf to scan. We are going to scan scanf our age. So let me say %d. Sorry, it's also in bracket, in double bracket. Also can use a single, so %d, and also and age, semicolon. So here we're going to say, to use a if condition, say if age is greater, if age is greater or equal to 18, here a user, here a program will print welcome, you are allowed to vote. So if a user is less than 18, it's also else means else our program will print you are not allowed. Let me use a capital letter. You are not allowed to vote. So then after, I think here I've finished it. and then here you can add return 0, and then compile. What too long here? Yes, we have a mistake here. Print if yes. Okay, here we are going to enter age. Let me say I have 13 age. Then enter. Welcome, you are allowed to vote. So also you see, okay, let me compile again. When I say I have 10 years and then hit enter, my program will also tell me you are not allowed to vote. So you see, we have finished to make our program. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel Code of Mukshai in order to get any video we have uploaded. So let me try to see you in the next video.